Morning.
Morning. I'm much better today.
Yay.
The routine's continuing for a bit though.
Yeah.
Just to make sure everything's working okay.
I'm so glad for you, Kaz. You're able to breathe.
Yay.
Yay. You can go for a little walk today, maybe.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. I'm on the deck of Deloraine Information Centre. And you can go into the folk museum here, which we might do one day. It's just starting to fine up. But here, this tells us what all the mountains are. No Cradle Mountain, Kaz. We're walking along the Deloraine River walk. Kaz's first venture out. Just trying to get our fitness back slowly and not overdo it. Yep. What a beautiful place to do it.
Hello. Look at the size of this tree. That's how big it is. Monique's standing there.
Deloraine Caravan Park on the river. And we're doing a little walk around the river still. So beautiful. Apparently there's several families of platypus in here. I think I saw one the other day. I didn't capture them on film. It's the middle of the day now, so we wouldn't see them now. Hello? Oh, sorry, you want to be filmed. Those geese can stay right where they are.
Yes, just quietly. They terrify me coming in to see us.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello. You want some bread or something? We haven't got any.
we haven't got anything for you, darling. You have to eat something out of the river. We're sitting at the eating place, so they've all come. They're training the babies.
Kaz, I think we found our first wombat. Our first wombat. Hey, little guy. Distracted by the wombat, and look at this beauty. We nearly walked past it. Who could have walked past that? Look at that bark on there. Oh, wow.
More exercising. Mon's trying them all.
Yep.
96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And throughout town they have these fabulous little statues everywhere. So this one's called Mountain Cattleman by Deb Matthews, and there's all different ones throughout the town. There's one over there outside the Masonic Hall. If you zoom in you'll be able to see that one, but they're right down through town, all the way down through the township there. So it's amazing. This is a memorial to a famous horse. Looks like a pretty stunning horse. Must have been a racehorse or something. Malua. All you racehorse experts will probably know. There's some lovely old buildings here in Deloraine. Is it still school holidays? There's like a gazillion children over there.
I don't know.
Doesn't look like there's enough matching adults.
We're chilling out in the warmer weather. Kaz is outside.
Warmer weather.
Stopped warmer. Stopped coughing.
Yep. Head. Can you see his head? Yeah. Hi, I'm Karen.
And I'm Monique. And we're so glad you could come on a journey with us. See you next time.
Bye.